A freelancer is a self-employed individual. Freelancing is a profession just like other professions, but it is primarily based on a contract. With your skill and experience, you can work for as many clients as you wish. The jobs involved are commonly called gigs, and you don't need to be physically present before you can work. Welcome to this channel, Lifestyle Tips by Antoaneta. Here we discuss business, motivation, and daily lifestyle that will help you to have a balanced and successful life. A freelancer is self-employed, and such an individual can use platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to earn a living. However, in today's video, we shall be considering freelancers in two phases, which is the pros and cons. People are often confused about whether freelancing is a good career choice. I hope at the end of this video, you can decide for yourself whether freelancing is a good profession for you or not. Here are the advantages and disadvantages of freelancing. The pros of freelancing. Number 1. Freedom to choose your client. As a freelancer, you are not limited by any number of clients. This is one of the most exciting things about freelancing. In a month, you can work with as many clients as you wish. If you are freelancing, you have the freedom to decide on the type of client to work with. When you do this, nobody will demand an explanation from you. Freelancing is not a corporate job that forces clients on you. In freelancing, if you dislike the terms and conditions that a client is bringing for a project, you have the freedom to say no to work. Number 2. Independence. I have never seen a job that provides the type of independence that freelancers enjoy. Any form of limitation does not hold down freelancers, they are independent. For instance, in a corporate organization, you are forced to do things you are not pleased with. When given a project, there are times that you don't have a voice of your own. However, freelancers can use their ideas and creativity to complete a task. What any client will love to see is the result that you can produce at the end of the day. Therefore, freelancers are not hindered by anything, and they are not bound by any conditions aside from the ones that the freelancer willingly agreed on with the client. Number 3. Exposure and connection. With freelancing, there is no limit to your level of exposure. In a corporate organization, the workers may go months without traveling and connecting with other people. However, freelancing allows you to increase your network. You can work from anywhere as a freelancer, even if you are on a trip. What is essential is to have your laptop and a good internet connection. Number 4. Flexibility and control. This is one of the benefits to be enjoyed as a freelancer. As a freelancer, you are free to work according to your schedule, unlike when you are bound by the rule of 9 to 5 in a corporate organization. Many people love to work according to their schedule. What is important is to deliver the client's project on or before the agreed deadline. Freelancers are in total control of their workload, but it is advised that you should take on jobs based on your capability and competency. This will help you to avoid negative reviews from clients. Number 5. Building of skills. When you are a freelancer, you are your own boss, and you will have enough time to build skills. If you are looking forward to expanding your knowledge base, you can become a freelancer and build skills alongside earning. Before we consider the disadvantages of freelancing, please like, share and comment in the section below. The cons of freelancing. Number 1. Responsibility. Freelancers are solely responsible for their well-being and performance. As a freelancer, if you don't provide the expected result, nobody will be blamed but you. Therefore, you have to guide yourself to the right path. You are allowed to make decisions for yourself, but you need to be ready to bear any consequences that arise from your choice. There are times that a project will be challenging, and you need the view of a third party, but this cannot easily be achieved, unlike in a corporate organization. Number 2. No employees benefit. Since freelancers are responsible for themselves, they need to be ready to give themselves a treat after each completed project. This is one of the most significant disadvantages of freelancing. There is a lack of employee benefits, which can only be enjoyed by individuals working for a corporate body. These include paid leave, gifts, and other bonuses. Number 3. Undefined work pattern. The work pattern of freelancers is not well defined. There are times that a client will have to cancel a project due to one reason or the other. In addition, freelancers have to compete and strive to get projects from time to time unless the few who can retain their clients. The long gaps between projects in freelancing are not encouraging, which makes their income irregular. Number 4. Isolation. Most freelancers work in isolation. This makes it challenging for them to share resources and ideas. In a corporate organization, resources like computers and other devices can be connected and shared. When a task is difficult, those working together in an office can strategize and look for a way forward. However, most freelancers are all alone in their room to do the thinking and planning alone. Number 5. Irregular income. The corporate organization has a form of security because you are sure that your payment will come in monthly. As a freelancer, your income is not fixed, it depends on the number of projects you can do successfully. This is one of the biggest discouragements in freelancing. Thank you for watching this video till the end. As a bonus point, I will love to provide answers to the common question that most people ask. Is it compulsory to quit a corporate job for freelancing? The answer to this is no. You don't have to quit your job before working as a freelancer since you can do both, but you must check your employment contract first. Finally, if you are interested in freelancing, there is nothing wrong with your choice. There are many websites that you can leverage. Don't forget to like and share this content with loved ones. Also, please subscribe to be updated with our new videos in our channel. In the section below, let us know your view about freelancing. Thank you for watching this video. And remember, always stay very motivated. See you in our next video.